How to delete a group on Splitwise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily delete a group on Splitwise application. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the application installed on your device. You can find it on both Google Play Store and App Store. Now you can just open up the application, and on the bottom navigation bar you have different options like groups, friends, activity, and your account. So under groups, you will have to find the group that you want to delete, but you have to make sure that you are the admin of the group. So once you tap on the group right here, you'll see all of the group details. You have an option to add member, share the group link, and at the top right, you will see the gear icon. To tap on it, and it will take you to the group settings where you have an option to simplify group depths. Default spin, it is a pro feature, so you'll have to pay for the premium. And from here, you have two options at the bottom, leave group or delete group. So if you want to just leave the group, you can just tap on this option. And if you want to completely delete the group, just tap on delete group. And are you absolutely sure that you want to delete the group? It will remove all of the groups for all the users involved, not just yourself. So just tap on OK and it will delete the group. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.